Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, with a showdown between the Holy Stone mini drone and the CHUBORY super enduring brushless motor drone. Let's see which one flies higher in our comparison. First up, let's talk price. The Holy Stone mini drone costs just $36, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. Reviewers appreciate its value for money, noting that it's a great entry-level drone. On the other hand, the CHUBORY super enduring drone is priced at $149. This higher price point is justified by its advanced features and longer flight time, according to users. When it comes to flight time, the Holy Stone mini drone offers 21 minutes with its 3 batteries. Users find this sufficient for short, fun flights. However, the CHUBORY super enduring drone takes the lead with an impressive 84 minutes of flight time. Reviewers love this extended duration, noting that it allows for more extensive use without frequent recharges. Now for the fun features. The Holy Stone mini drone can perform toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. Reviewers find these features entertaining and easy to use. The CHUBORY drone, however, ups the ante with follow me, gesture selfie, and trajectory flight. Users rave about these advanced capabilities, making it feel like a high-tech gadget. Durability is crucial for any drone. The Holy Stone mini drone comes with protective guards, making it a safe choice for beginners and indoor use. Reviewers appreciate its robustness despite its small size. The CHUBORY drone, built with alloy brushless motors and composite material, is praised for its ruggedness and ability to withstand crashes, making it a durable option for more demanding use. In the camera department, the Holy Stone mini drone doesn't come with a camera, which is a downside for those looking to capture aerial shots. The CHUBORY drone, however, features a 2K HD adjustable camera with a 130-degree wide-angle lens. Reviewers are impressed with the photo and video quality, making it a great choice for photography enthusiasts. User-friendliness is essential, especially for beginners. The Holy Stone mini drone offers altitude hold and headless mode, which reviewers find perfect for kids and those new to drones. The CHUBORY drone includes 1 key start landing, optical flow positioning, and speed adjustment. Users find these features helpful for a smooth and easy flying experience, even for beginners. Overall, reviewers find the Holy Stone mini drone to be a fantastic, budget-friendly option that's easy to use and fun for beginners. Meanwhile, the CHUBORY super enduring drone is praised for its advanced features, longer flight time, and excellent camera quality, making it worth the higher price. So which drone should you buy? If you're on a budget and looking for something fun and easy, the Holy Stone mini drone is a great choice. But if you're willing to invest in longer flight time, better durability, and a superior camera, the CHUBORY super enduring drone is the way to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly smart and buy smart. See you next time!